There's a thrilling world of ATV adventures that awaits in the Sussex New Brunswick Valley. Nestled in the heart of South Central New Brunswick, this region is a haven for adrenaline-seeking explorers. The Sussex Valley All-Terrain Vehicle, or SVAT, reigns supreme here, offering an impressive network of trails that spans a whopping 240 kilometers. And that's not all. There are countless unofficial trails and back roads just waiting to be conquered and explored by ATV enthusiasts. Among the myriad of exciting events organized by SVAT, the annual President's Run takes the spotlight for sure. Picture this: over 300 bikes roaring through the rugged terrain, embarking on an unforgettable journey that stretches over 80 kilometers. This year, we were lucky enough to be invited by our really good friends, Tim and Jeanne Eagles. Their passion for adventure made them the perfect companions for a long weekend filled with an exciting ATV touring adventure for sure. The President's Run caters to riders of all levels, making it a friendly and approachable experience even for beginners. As we reached the halfway point of the ride, our grumbling stomachs were appeased by the enticing aroma of hot dogs and hamburgers and sausages sizzling on the grill that they offered. It was spectacular. Needless to say, Joanne and I had an absolute blast during this unforgettable run. The camaraderie, the breathtaking landscapes, and the sheer joy of conquering the trails left an indelible mark on our adventurous spirits. We've already made up our minds. Next year, we'll be back for more, for sure. Ready to embrace the exhilaration and excitement that the President's Run in the area promises. So if you're a fellow ATV enthusiast, mark your calendars and prepare for an adrenaline-fueled weekend like no other. The Sussex Valley awaits with its exceptional trails and vibrant community that shares our love for the great outdoors. Get your engines revving and join us on this thrilling adventure of a lifetime. This was the first poker run or ATV rally for Joanne and I, and we embarked on it with mixed expectations. We braced ourselves for potential ATV congestions, slowdowns, and just overall general chaos. However, there was none of that. What pleasantly caught us off guard during this exhilarating rally was its exceptional organization and the staggered start times, allowing participants to commence their journey when they were personally prepared. It thoroughly spaced out the riders. It may not be well presented in this video, but despite the substantial number of bikes in attendance, the well-maintained pace ensured minimum congestion and traffic for the most part, and we traveled mostly at our own pace, fairly alone. During our rally adventure, we stumbled upon the intriguing Crow Cemetery, conveniently situated just a stone's throw away from the rally trail. Intrigued by its presence on my GPS, we decided to take a detour from the rally and explore this hidden gem. A mere 3-minute walk in the woods led us to the cemetery, where we discovered ancient headstones dating back as early as 1826. The experience left us deeply moved and filled with a sense of reverence for those in their final resting place. During the long weekend, we stayed at the incredible End Cottages found on Mechanic Lake. From the moment we arrived, the owners welcomed us with open arms and made us feel right at home. Their friendliness, helpfulness, and like-minded outdoor enthusiasm truly added an extra special touch to our stay. It's always heartwarming to encounter such genuine hospitality during our adventures. The cabins themselves were a dream come true. Brand new, sparkling clean, and comfortable. They provided the perfect sanctuary after a thrilling day at the rally. We couldn't have asked for a better place to rest our heads and recharge for the next day's adventures. After the rally, we decided to unwind and indulge in some well-deserved relaxation. We fired up the grill and savored some mouth-watering ribs and complimented them by drinking many ice-cold beers. We sparked up a noble crackling fire, which along with Tim, Jeannie, and Joanne made it a truly magical night. If you're seeking a place to unwind, embark on exciting escapades, and make unforgettable memories, look no further than End Cottages. We highly recommend it. No trouble to tell the alcoholics we're here. And there's Penny Wenny. The next day, we set out to explore the surrounding area on our own. We ventured into the wilderness, discovering hidden secrets and immersing ourselves in the beauty of the surrounding nature. It rained incredibly hard during the night, flooding the trails, but got really nice throughout the rest of the day. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.